Welcome to Target Tip of the Day. Today we're going to look into how you can utilize the Target client to actually find the root cause of your data quality problem and start implementing a fix. So here we are in the Target client, and we just started building an analysis, and the first table showing top 5 products on sales on revenue shows that our 5th best performing product actually comes out and says unknown, not applicable. That's a huge problem because we don't know actually which product generated that money. So let's do a really quick piece of investigation in Target. I'll just right click customer here and say add as object. So what happens is, since I've built one object with revenue, Target will automatically build another customer with the revenue, and maybe we'd like to know about the salesperson who did these registrations as well. So again, add as object will be a little bit intelligent, and since our first table was about revenue, that will be inherited to the next table. So let's go into consumer mode, drill into our NA, and immediately we've learned that the problem is Miss Ayuna Bolton. When she does invoices for a certain customer, she seems to do some kind of error that makes all those invoices show a certain product as unknown. So now we have a culprit. What to do about it? We're going to go back to designer mode. We're going to right click this particular number and set up an agent to monitor this value. That brings us into a guide where we have to set up what needs to be monitored and exactly how. Let's look at that. First of all, let's get the condition right. This particular number worries us, so we actually want to bring it down to 0. So I want to be notified when this is greater than 0. And here comes the smart part. When you go to the second tab, criteria, we actually inherited all we need. It's about Ayuna Bolton, it's about the unknown products, and it's about previous month. Moving on, we can just give a name to this job. We can call it data quality Ayuna job. And how often do we want to examine this? Well, I want Target to examine this once a week, every Monday. So when I actually send out a mail based on this, and I will, maybe at 8 o'clock in the morning on Mondays, a mail will go out to Ayuna, Ayuna at target.com, and in the message I'll actually put, please bring this number down to 0. The rest of the mail will be auto-generated. The subject will be auto-generated saying you're getting this because revenue is greater than 0, and it will also include an explanation about the filters that are applied to this particular agent. So actually, by clicking OK, I've started a process now that will help Ayuna get to the bottom of this, and every week there will be a mail if this number is greater than 0. So this is how you can really quickly do detective work and actually start a process to fix the lack of data quality in your data. That concludes today's Target Tip of the Day. Stay tuned on our YouTube channel and stay safe.